All right. I see what Reed, tell us what have you learned of this past week? What did we discuss over this past week? Topic sentences. And what is the topic sentence?
The topic sentence is the main idea or
Very good.
or detail.
Well, not detail. It's just the main idea. Correct? But it is very detailed. If I give you a paragraph and ask you to choose which one is the topic sentence, could you choose which one is the topic sentence? How would you choose the topic sentence out of a paragraph? What makes the topic sentence stand out?
Because the topic sentence is the first sentence of a paragraph.
Sometimes. Mary, y'all go up there with him, Tyler. Sometimes that's the tricky part. You can't, if I give you a question, you can't always say, well, a topic sentence is the first sentence, because it may not be the first sentence. A topic sentence can be in the middle or the end of a paragraph, correct?
Yes,
So if I put on the test, when I ask you to choose your topic sentence, don't just go through and start underlining the first sentence. If it was that easy, we wouldn't have to teach it, right? Amir, what do you think makes a topic sentence stand out above everything else?
I think it makes it stand out because it starts out sometimes the first topic, and you can see it, it's a lot, and you can just read out and you can see the main idea.
You can see the main idea. That's what I'm looking for. You can see the main idea. You restated what Timothy said. It's the first sentence. Is the topic sentence always the first sentence of a paragraph?
No.
No. Atala, in your own words, what do you think the topic sentence? How do you choose the topic sentence out of a paragraph? How do you choose the topic sentence? What do you look for? No. If I give you a paragraph and say, Atala, choose the topic sentence, how do you choose the topic sentence? Keep going.
By looking through the first word.
What do you mean by looking at the first word? How do you choose the topic sentence? Yeah, it includes the main idea. Correct. Whenever you're looking at topic sentence, that sentence stands out because it includes everything that's in that paragraph. It tells you what that paragraph is going to be about. Because next week what we're going to do, we're going to start working on topic sentences and detailed sentences. Okay? In your book, page 55, it says to write a sentence that states the main idea for each of the topics. Okay, so number 61. You want to be on camera. Number 61, Timothy. Tell me, what is a good topic sentence for a trip to remember?
I am going on a trip. I have to.
Well, what does a trip to remember mean? It means a trip that you can never forget. It's an awesome trip. The trip that you'll always remember. Correct? A trip that you'll always have in your mind. Correct? So how would you start that? If I gave you the topic, a trip to remember, what's a good topic sentence for a topic like that? What's a good main idea?
I will remember the trip that.
Well, tell me what your say a specific sentence. How about this? Grab your papers real quick. Amira, Tyler, Timothy.
Hey.
Where's your other paper? Alright. Timothy. Tell them what you put for number 61.
I have a trip to remember.
Okay, and tell me the top experience that you wrote for this.
That's
Look at this. You just rewrote everything that was on here. Go ahead. American number 62.
a trip to remember.
Number 62.
My favorite place. My favorite place is the Children's Museum.
Very good. Very good. It's just that simple. Number 63 is how.
An amazing adventure is I didn't know much.
I'm sorry, I don't know what you're asking.
I didn't know what was an amazing adventure.
Go ahead. Number 64. Timothy.
This is my first day at school.
Number 65, Amira.
Winning the prize. I won a trophy.
Very good. Do y'all see how she? Amira, do me a favor. Read your answer for 61.
A trip to remember. I like to go to Florida.
Number 63.
An amazing adventure. I went fishing. I went to go fishing.
Okay. Number 64. 64.
The first day of school. The first day of school, it was fun.
65.
Winning the prize. I won a trophy.
You already did that one. Okay. We're going to, in the next few weeks, we're going to work on how to better your communication skills. How to write in a descriptive manner. How to use, what's the adjective? What's the adjective?
An adjective is a color.
What's the adjective? What do adjectives do?
They tell you what something is.
A little bit more. What do adjectives do? Adjectives. Come on, Ralph.
It tells you that it could be color or word.
What do adjectives do? I'm looking for a specific definition, Timothy.
They tell you like the main idea or
Have y'all ever adjectives? What is an adjective? What do adjectives do? They do what? Give a what? Adjectives describe something. They're descriptive words. What are nouns?
Nouns is a person, place, or thing.
What are verbs?
Verb is something that you can do.
Action words. Okay. Like I said, next week we're going to work on your writing. And you're going to have to choose topic sentences to write details about. On your test, it's going to ask you at one point, stop chewing Timothy shoe, Rambo. At one point on your homework, it's going to ask you which is the best concluding sentence. What's a conclusion? What's a conclusion? A conclusion is the end of something. Are you looking at me or are you looking at Rambo? A conclusion is the end of something, or the end. It ends. So a concluding sentence would end a paragraph or a story. So on your test, when you're taking your test, it asks you, please give me the best concluding sentence. It's a sentence that ends something. Okay? So when you're taking your test, think about something that ends. It ends the paragraph. What's a good ending? Okay? Alright? It's going to also ask you what sentence does not belong. If you have a paragraph, and you're looking at this, let's say, are you listening? Let's say the sentence that, let's say the paragraph says, today I went to school. We learned about verbs. We have a lot of homework about verbs. A verb is an action word. My shoes are red. What sentence does not belong? My shoes are red because it's not telling anything about my school, my day at school, is it? No. So on your test, you're going to have to pick out what sentence does not belong. And that's how you choose it. Whichever sentence does not cover the main idea, that's the sentence you just say does not belong. In a conclusion paragraph, I would say, today, well, Monday is the most boring day of the week. On Monday at school, all we have is work. We never go anywhere on Monday. On Monday, we eat salads for lunch. And this is why I hate Monday. What's the concluding sentence? What sentence ends that whole paragraph? Very good, and this is why I hate Monday. You can understand it a little bit, and we'll go over it more next week, but are you understanding that enough? Okay, what does the concluding sentence do? Put your paper here. The ending, very good. Timothy, what's the concluding sentence? The ending. Akala, what's the concluding sentence? Ending. All right. Come get these papers. We can go over these. Timothy, Akala, and Mira. Y'all can give me those, though. All right. All right. Number 6. Write the sentence. Write the sentence says. Organize them in an order that makes sense. Timothy, can you go first?
A bottle in the ocean is time and instant.
Okay. Did you understand what we're supposed to do for this? You're supposed to put the sentences in order. Okay, that's not in order. Amara. Do big.
Twist the bottle cap and watch the bottle left.
Okay, what you're doing is you're writing a paragraph. From 6 through 10, you have to write the sentences in order. Excuse me. You write the sentences in order. Grab your book. Make sure you go back up here and get it. Oh, that's your book. Okay, can you look on with Amira or Tala real quick? Okay. Read the directions, Timothy. Or B.
Write the sentences. Organize them in an order that makes sense.
Did you do that? Let me see that.
Well, we was all working together.
Okay, but you didn't do that. You basically just wrote the sentences the way they are. Are y'all reading the directions at all when y'all do this work? Tala, what did you put?
I put an ocean and a bottle with salt.
That's not in order. What did you think you were doing for this activity? Making the sentences make sense? Okay. Okay, I understand why you got confused because of the numbers, but we'll do it together so you understand what we're talking about, okay? Alright, is that okay? If you ever have any problems, if you're ever not understanding something in your work that I give you, whether it's homework or classwork, you need to ask me. Understand this, you never just go throughout the book and copy verbatim what it is. You never just go through and copy because obviously you're not doing any work. Always read the directions. Directions tell you what you need to do. A mirror. Out of these 5 sentences, to the book. Out of these 5 sentences, which sentence will come first in a paragraph? No, don't look at your paper because your paper is wrong. Look at the book. Which sentence out of those sentences will come first? Which sentence will come first? Yes, ma'am.
First,
you would think it's first, wouldn't you? It's not. The reason it's not first is because it's not. Look through it again. Look through it one more time. That was a good try, though. Look through it again. How I began that whole paragraph. Because what are these sentences talking about? How to do what?
to organize
What are all these things? I'm going to read them. An ocean in the bottle is fun and interesting. Last, twist on the bottle cap and rock the bottle. Next, use food color to make the water bottle. The blue. First, fill a clear bottle halfway with water. Then fill the bottle to the top with cooking oil. What are these sentences doing? What are they doing? What are they giving me? Directions to how to make what?
an ocean bottle.
An ocean in a bottle. It's directions. What's the topic sentence for a paragraph that's telling me how to make an ocean in a bottle? What's the first sentence? What's the first? If I was writing these sentences in order, what would be the first? We're talking about 6 through 10.
Next, use the food.
Huh? Say it again, Timothy.
I said, ocean in the bottle.
That's your first sentence. What is this sentence called?
Next,
Hold on. Timothy, what's the first sentence in that paragraph?
an ocean in the bottle is fine
And what is that sentence called? What kind of sentence is that? Or what kind of sentence? You just got to be talking about it. A topic sentence, which means every sentence after that topic sentence needs to do what? It needs to talk about the main idea. It supports the main idea. Correct? So if my main idea is an ocean in a bottle is fun and interesting, what sentence will come next? If I'm telling you how to make an ocean in a bottle, what sentence will come next? No. Read the sentences. I'm about to give you directions for making an ocean in a bottle. What sentence will come next? Look at your book. No. No, that says last. So you know that can't be next. No. First. Why y'all leave out first of it? But you didn't say first. You said fill a bottle. So read that in order from an ocean. So start with the topic sentence and read the next one. Go ahead, Amira.
An ocean in a bottle is fun and interesting. First, fill a clear bottle halfway with water.
Good. What's the next sentence?
Then fill the bottle to the top with
Good. What's the next one?
use blue color to make the water blue.
Very good. What's the last concluding sentence?
Last, twist on the bottle cap and rock the bottle.
Very good. Do you understand what we just did now?
Yes.
So you can, if I gave you these many sentences, you can now put the sentences in order. You see what the difference was with that? Whether just writing it down as you saw it, you put it in order. Very good. Number 11. It says read directions first. Whenever I give you anything, whether it's on a test, okay, whether it's on a test or in your classwork or your homework, you have to read the directions first. That's the only way you can know how to do something correctly, if you're reading the directions. You cannot just look at the numbers and start writing. Because then what's going to happen is you're going to get every problem incorrect. Okay? Look at number 11. Timothy, read the directions for that.
Write the sentences in paragraph form. Fill in time order words where needed. Draw a line under each noun.
Okay. Now I know we didn't talk about time order, even though I see that, Timothy, you did do that correctly. And I see that Amira, almost, and Tyler is correct too. Alright, so where are time order words? Give me some time order words. Where are time order? Listen to that sound. Time order. Put them in order. What kind of word is put something in order? Name one word. First. Yeah, what else? Don't just count. What else? After. Before. Then. Yeah. Those words tell me, or next. Those words tell me how to organize something, or what order they go in. Or what order something goes in, okay? So, come in. You ready to leave? I don't think so. Okay. For your first one, you can grow a plant at home. What's a good time order word for the first one? Number 11, 12, I'm sorry, 12. Next. First. Very good. Number 13.
Then plant a few seeds in the container.
Very good. Number 14.
After sprinkle the seeds with water.
Very good. And 15.
Last, place the water seed in a sunny window.
Very good. You see how easy that is?
Yes.
When you do what? You have to do what before you do anything else?
Read directions.
Read the directions. It's that simple. Read the directions. And then you do very well. You see how well you did? Yeah. Very good. Alright, so are you ready for your test? Do you have any questions about your test on tomorrow? I'm sorry, yeah, tomorrow. Any questions? No? No?
No.
Alright. Alright, y'all can get ready for your next class.